this video, we'll share 3 simple solutions to allow you to erase Android's cache partition using the Settings app, Android Recovery Mode, and professional Android data erasing software. Solution 1. Wipe cache partition on Android using the Settings app. Open Settings on your Android. Scroll to Storage. Tap it. In Storage, tap Cache Data. Confirm deletion by tapping OK in the pop-up. Solution 2. Delete cache partition on Android using Android Recovery Mode. Step 1. Turn off your Android phone. Step 2. Reboot your Android device into recovery mode. Release power at the exclamation mark. Hold volume up until Android logo. If released, hold volume up and power until recovery screen. In recovery mode, use volume down to select Wipe Cache Partition and power to confirm. Confirm the cache wipe by selecting Yes. After completion, return to the recovery screen. Choose Reboot System to restart the device. Solution 3. Erase cache partition on Android using Android Data Eraser. If you want to delete data on Android phone or tablet permanently, you can draw support from the Android Data Cleaner. The software can scan and delete all the cache files from all brands of Android devices. Step 1. Install and launch Android Data Cleaner. Step 2. Choose the correct cleaning mode. Step 3. Start to wipe Android cache partition.